Actually, guys, I'm in the mini market earlier. I bought everything until Saturday. So I will not go out because it's always raining here. Later, I'll show you guys what I have or what I bought in the mini market. But now let's eat first. It's so traffic earlier, guys. And that mini market is one way. So even you are walking, you still need to, you know, like you are in traffic like that. So you walk like a car, so slow in a traffic road. Mm. Mm. This is my favorite when I was in college. But when I relocated, I didn't taste it again because it's so far. I need to walk like 15 minutes or 13 minutes. Because when you ride tricycle, it's 30 pesos, guys. So expensive now. But when you are special, when you ride alone, 40 or 50 pesos. Mm, so yum. Mm, it's juicy, guys. Juicy and spicy. Now let's have another. This one, guys, this one I told you earlier. Has coconut milk, rice, and corn. Mm, so yummy.